Creme brulee. One of the most famous custard desserts in the world. Creme brulee is a rich baked custard topped with a thin layer of hardened caramelized sugar. It is strongly associated with French cuisine, though similar custard desserts existed in Europe for centuries. What makes it instantly recognizable is the contrast between the crisp sugar shell and the silky custard underneath, creating one of the most satisfying dessert textures.
Flan. Flan is a smooth caramel custard that is especially popular in Spain, Latin America, and many parts of the world. Unlike creme brulee, where the caramel sits as a hard top layer, flan uses liquid caramel that coats the dessert after being flipped out of its mold. Its soft texture and glossy caramel finish make it one of the most recognizable custard desserts globally.
Creme anglaise. This is a pourable custard rather than a firm dessert, often used as a sauce for cakes, pastries, and fruit-based desserts. Originating from French culinary tradition, creme anglaise is made gently on the stovetop and stays smooth enough to drizzle. It may not be as visually dramatic as creme brulee, but it plays a major role in fine desserts. Pastry cream. Also known as creme pâtissière, this is the thick custard commonly found inside eclairs, cream puffs, fruit tarts, and filled pastries. Unlike lighter custard sauces, pastry cream is intentionally thick so it can hold its shape. It is one of the most widely used custards in bakery culture, even if many people do not realize they are eating custard when they enjoy it. Frozen custard. This is the colder, richer cousin of ice cream. Originating in the United States, frozen custard includes egg yolks in addition to cream and sugar, giving it a denser and smoother texture than standard ice cream. Because of that richness, it feels creamier and more indulgent with every bite. Baked custard. This is one of the simplest and oldest forms of custard, made by baking an egg-based mixture until it gently sets. Many home-style custard desserts around the world fall into this category. It is less flashy than some modern dessert variations, but its soft texture and comforting simplicity are exactly why it has lasted for generations. Egg custard tart. Popular in places like Portugal, Hong Kong, and parts of China, this combines pastry with smooth custard filling. Different regions have their own versions, but the basic idea remains the same: flaky crust with creamy egg custard inside. It shows how custard can move beyond bowls and become part of portable baked desserts. Panna cotta. While technically debated because it relies more on gelatin than eggs in many versions, panna cotta is often grouped alongside custard-like desserts because of its silky texture and creamy presentation. Originating in Italy, it is lighter in structure, but offers a similarly smooth dessert experience. Its elegant simplicity made it a modern restaurant favorite.